Assalamu alaikum kids. This story is about a respected rabbit. Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush green leaf forest, lived Rufus the rabbit. Rufus was well known and deeply respected by all the forest creatures for his wisdom, kindness, and leadership. One beautiful spring morning, Rufus woke up to find a note at his burrow's entrance. It was from the old wise owl Oli, inviting him to the great forest feast. The feast was a grand event held once a year to celebrate the harmony and unity of the forest animals. Rufus was excited and hoped of to spread the word. As he traveled through the forest, he met various animals, each with their unique talents, all eager to contribute to the feast. First, Rufus met Bella, the beaver. Good morning, Bella. Are you coming to the feast? Of course, Rufus, Bella replied with a smile. I'll bring fresh wood to build tables and cheer for everyone. Next, Rufus encountered Freddy the fox, who was known for his clever skills. Freddy, we need your help to prepare a delicious meal for the feast. Freddy grinned. I'll gather the finest berries and herbs to make a feast everyone will remember. As Rufus continued his journey, he saw Penny the parrot flying overhead. Penny, will you entertain us at the feast? Penny swooped down and landed beside Rufus. Absolutely. I gathered the songbirds for a grand musical performance. With everyone excited and busy with preparation, Rufus finally reached the heart of the forest where the feast would be held. He found Ollie sitting at a branch observing the bustling activities below. Ollie, everything is coming together wonderfully, Rufus said. The forest creatures are working hard to make this best feast ever. Ollie nodded wisely. Indeed, Rufus, your ability to bring everyone together is truly remarkable. On the day of the feast, the forest was buzzing with excitement. Bella had built beautiful tables and chairs. Freddy had prepared a delicious food, and Penny and the songbirds were ready to perform. As the animals gathered, Rufus stood up to speak. Friends, today we celebrate our unity and the joy of living in harmony. Let us always remember the importance of working together and helping each other. The animals cheered and clapped gratefully for Rufus' wise words. The feast began and everyone enjoyed the delicious food, the beautiful music, and the company of friends. As the sun set and the stars twinkled above, the forest was filled with laughter and happiness. Rufus looked around, his heart swelling with pride and joy. He knew that as long as they will work together and cared for everyone, the green leaf forest would always be a place of peace and harmony. And so the great forest feast became a cherished tradition with Rufus the respected rabbit as its heart, reminding everyone of the power of unity and kindness. I hope this story is perfect and you kids like this story. Thank you.